Jamaica, watch this.
When the captain them a pass up a road, so me a say see me a so they in the up in place. Me a say see me a so no look if you no can see me.
It's been days since Hurricane Melissa passed, but anger, pain, and hunger linger in these communities. Take a look at this bed. It sits firmly on the ground in the yard, but the structure which once surrounded it, gone.
So we grew up in house and the whole Jamaica gets all of this. Because remember me tell you, famine would have dead. Would have surely dead for hunger Jamaica. Right now, I know you come in person right now and see it. I mean, imagine what you feel, what you see now, and how it look to you. You have to from one end to the next with ease.
These residents have been unable to reach their relatives for days after heavy winds destroyed power lines and other utility poles in the area. Our news team provided well-needed support for them to connect with their families.
Me glad me get to talk to my family them because me worried over me, me worried over them, me worried because me lose everything.
And we have to give a big shout out to TBJ because they come along and they give us some service, some internet service. And I'm telling you, I'm crying out to anybody in this world who can help us because we need help.
The government has been distributing relief supplies across some areas hardest hit by Hurricane Melissa. But with the clock ticking and hunger growing, patience is running low.
We be able to close watch everything and they're going to do. We reach out to him, man. We need help, please.